And now the sun comes out, eh? Good. Pasty, methinks. Oh, yes, toasty. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 second rule. Just perfect. Blink and you miss it. Gone. Now, I've got nothing against ginger beers as long as they don't force it down my throat. Neck's just a bit too big for the pliers. Am I wise to keep my toothpaste next to my acrylic paints? Anyway, that's not why I went in the glove compartment. I was looking for toothbrush, pens, spoons, spare batteries, hearing aid batteries. Aha! Oh, yes! Oh, that's for my tooth that fell out. Lost that tooth in the tiny house, and it cost £1,000, and it's made of palladium, a more precious metal than gold and platinum. I used to be able to afford things like that when I had a job. Okay, enough recherche de temps perdu, whatever the French is for that. Back to the job in hand. Oh, that's all right. Throaty. It's time. Not bad, Sheffield. Look at this stupid laminated cancel notice. Don't climb trees. How are children ever supposed to learn about consequences and responsibility if they can't fall out of trees and hurt themselves? Oh, I've never seen them before. That is a beautifully slammed Mark II Golf. A lot of people get that wrong, but that is perfect. Such a clean example. Laundry's ready. Excellent. How idyllically beautiful. trick about filming in a forest is camera will try and overexpose, but that's not how you see it. You see it as dark like that. That's how I see it. Lovely. There's the thumbnail right there.
In 200 yards, turn right onto Cross Street A6187.
In early July, you tend to get tired out by longer days. The sun rises early, 4 or 5 a.m, and the van gets too hot to lie in, and then you're busy outdoors all day, and when it comes to sleep in the evening, sunset can be after 10 p.m, and you have no idea how tired you are. Just been in touch with Nomadic Kangoo. We're going to meet up in Edale tomorrow, 10 a.m. Nighty night. And I have an experimental idea for an outro, so would you be so kind as to watch that, or subscribe to moi.